Hello again and welcome to Gadget and Fun, where technology meets play. Up next, we have a series of gadget clips you'll love. Each one opens up possibilities for both work and fun. Get ready, the Gadgets show starts right now. Imagine having an assistant that's compact, efficient, and incredibly smart. This gadget is all about convenience. See how it fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Innovation meets practicality with this amazing gadget. Innovative, sleek, and indispensable, this gadget is your perfect daily companion. Ever seen anything like this? It's incredible. Discover the power and precision of this top-notch gadget. Unbox the future with this sophisticated and practical gadget. Welcome to a new level of cool. This invention is leading the way. Upgrade your gadget game with this simple yet powerful device. This tool isn't just a gadget, it's a practical solution for everyday problems. Bring home the latest in technology with this easy-to-use gadget. Adding technology to your day can be simple with this gadget. Watch as we explore the simplicity and utility of this amazing gadget. Here's a gadget that's reliable, efficient, and incredibly handy. Explore the cutting-edge technology that makes this gadget a must-have. Introducing a gadget that's as efficient as it is sleek, perfect for any home. Here's a tool that combines modern tech with everyday utility. Take a step into the future with this gadget's exceptional capabilities. This gadget is not only useful, but also incredibly stylish. Discover how this gadget can transform the way you handle daily activities. This device is a perfect example of efficiency meeting modern technology. Who knew this little gadget could be such a game changer? Watch it in action. Revolutionize your daily routines with this gadget's cutting-edge technology. Take a peek at this device's striking features that combine the best of technology and design. practical, handy, and futuristic. That's what this gadget is all about. This gadget offers a smart solution to your everyday problems. Get ready to be amazed by this. It's really something. Boost your productivity with this gadget that blends smart tech with user-friendly features. Can you believe this? It's making life so much easier. This is about more than convenience. It's about enhancing your quality of life. Who wouldn't want something this cool and handy in their life? Embrace the simplicity and brilliance of this game-changing invention. Brace yourself for a world of ease and enjoyment thanks to this. This gadget is so innovative. Get ready for a smoother, more enjoyable daily experience. Life just got a whole lot easier thanks to this little marvel. Discover the joy of hassle-free living with this innovative solution with this gadget. This is what happens when gadget meets real human needs. Embrace a new era of convenience, where every innovation is tailored to your needs. This product is where functionality meets fascination, transforming your daily duties.